a smart house? A smart house is a house that can be controlled from one single mobile phone. The two main smart elements of a house are a trapdoor and a smoke detector. A trapdoor is basically to leave intruders out of the house and to make sure everything is fine. So how it works is when a thief enters, the trapdoor alarm goes off and then the thief is sent down to a hole. The smoke detector.
The smoke detector is in the kitchen. So this is a detector that detects smoke or gas. So it alarms people in case there's a gas leak or a fire in the house. And other than these two smart elements, the house is basically normal. There are two rooms. There's a library, there's a dining table, there's a drawing room, a kitchen, and one bathroom. And all of these are the doors of these rooms, and the lights are operated through the phone.
So everything in the house, every single small element can also be taken practical. Thank you.
Okay, so hi everyone. So we have made a smart backpack, and this backpack is made with foam board. So basically, the backpack is very independent.
Okay.
Inside the backpack, the way it runs is there's an Arduino Uno and a connector which has the wires for the circuit, and then there are two buttons over here. When I press one of the buttons, then the arrow either moves to the left or the right depending on which button I press. So right now it's on the right side, and then I press the other button, it goes to the left side.
And this is basically used for cyclers at night, which helps them to show the people behind directions, and this has extra storage so you can store some of the items.
Thank you.
Thank you.